Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to solve this problem to find the x value. Solution in first method. Method 1. Now x minus 5 whole power 2 equal to 36. Now we are going to apply this algebra formula, that is a minus b whole square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. This formula we are going to apply here. So we'll get x square plus 5 square minus 2 times of x times of 5 equal to this 36. Now x square plus 5 square is 25 minus 2 times 5 is 10, x equal to 36. Now x square, this minus 10x plus 25, we are moving this 36 left hand side, so we get minus 36 equal to 0. Now x square minus 10x, this is minus 11 equal to 0. This 10x can be written as equal to 11x minus 1x. So here it is minus 10x, so minus 11x plus 1x. X square minus 11x plus 1x minus 11 equal to 0. Now we are going to take x common from this, so x open bracket x minus 11, here it is, we are taking 1 common from this, so x minus 11 equal to 0. Now x minus 11, x minus 11 we are going to take common, so x minus 11, same way here, x plus 1 equal to 0. Now we have two equations, one is x minus 11 equal to 0, x plus 1 equal to 0. Now here x equal to 11, here it is x equal to minus 1. These are the possible answers in first method. Here in second method, x minus 5 whole square equal to 36. In this method, we are moving this 36 left hand side, so x minus 5 whole square minus 36 equal to 0. So here 36 can be written as 6 square. So we are going to apply this here. So x minus 5 whole square minus 6 square equal to 0. Here we are going to apply this algebra formula, that a square minus b square equal to a minus b, a plus b. This formula we are going to apply here. So we will get x minus 5 minus 6 x minus 5 plus 6 equal to 0. Now Now here x minus 5 minus 6, and here x minus 5 plus 6 equal to 0. Now here x, this is minus 11. Here it is x plus 1 equal to 0. Now same way we have two equations here. One is x minus 11 equal to 0, x plus 1 equal to 0. Now x equal to 11, and here x equal to minus 1. This is the possible answer in second method. Now we are going to verify this answer with the equation that x minus 5 whole square equal to 36. Applying x here, x equal to 11. So 11 minus 5 whole square equal to 36. Here 11 minus 5 is 6, square equal to 30. So here is 6 square is 36 equal to 36. So LHS equal to RHS. Minus 1. The equation that x minus 5 whole square equal to 36. So here is minus 1 minus 5 whole square equal to 36. Here it is minus 1 minus 5 is minus 6 whole square equal to 36. Here minus 6 square is 36 equal to this, that is 6. So LHS equal to RHS. Here also proved. Thanks for watching this video.